There are several people these days who complain that they are exhausted. And there are also several others who don't complain, but then they tend to take rest quite often and they do not exhibit high amounts of energy. Even after doing simple chores of the day, they feel, they are kind of tired or, they don't reflect that high energy during the day. This is true even during the day, not about exhausted by the end of the day. And this is true even for those who are not on any specific diet plan. I think the foods that we have today are more geared towards working as sprints, not as marathons. What is happening is they are not providing sustained energy. If you are eating well, then if you did not eat for a complete day, still you shouldn't be losing energy. Yeah, you might feel hungry or you may want to eat, that's a different thing. But you shouldn't be exhausted or get tired by the end of the day. A diet that is rich in carbohydrates with a high glycemic index. So basically glycemic index is that which provides a number by which you could say how fast the food that you have eaten will get converted into glucose and provide energy to the cells. So the foods that we have today tend to have high amount of glycemic index. They are not having a low glycemic index which will provide you energy for a long time. Most of the foods that we eat today will work as racing motorcycles. You can go pretty fast. You are pumped up completely, but then it's for a short duration until you have to go for your refueling again. To compare that with a locomotive, it goes for longer and longer and longer and longer for a very long time without requiring any kind of refueling. That is because it is having a high amount of stored energy. This is something that is lacking in the current diet plans or the current food styles of people. We need to include some healthy fats in our daily intake. I want to show a recipe today. This is something that you can store well for several weeks. This is something you could have any time during the day. You can keep it in your kitchen and you can also carry it in your work bag to your office or wherever you go and have them whenever you please. In fact, I suggest that you make this in bulk and make sure that you carry all the time in your bag or in the kitchen or maybe both. Take 1 cup of almonds into a blender. Add half a cup of desiccated coconut flakes. Deseed and add about 8 soft dates. Add the main flavoring ingredient amla, also called as gooseberry, 1 tablespoon. We'll also include 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, which is a unique flavoring green tea that has got an earthy smell. It's actually made from green tea leaves. While we are here, let us also add a pinch or half teaspoon of sea salt to invigorate the taste buds as a taste enhancer. Blend all these until they become a soft dough. You may need to use the plunger as well in a high-speed blender to keep the mixture moving. In case you are using a regular kitchen blender or a food processor, I suggest that you process carefully by scraping the ingredients intermittently so that they get blend well. Now you can use the dough to mold into sweets of any shape you desire. In this case, I have taken an organic wrapper into a tray for ease of removing and emptied the mixture from blender into it. After pressing them flat, I cut them into squares or rectangles or undefined shapes for a few and stored them off. These will stay at room temperature for several weeks without getting spoiled. This is a food you could have at any time during the day. When I said any time during the day, that means I do not recommend them eating at night or before hitting the bed, because fat digestion could be straining on the stomach during the night. At night time, left to itself, body repairs its system and rejuvenates to make it fit for the next day. So you just want to leave it alone during the night without giving a lot of digestion work. Tasting time. Tasting time. Actually, I have tasted this already, but I want to show how does it taste right now. I made this some 2-3 days back, I think, and it still tastes very good. Amla powder or gooseberry powder is sour in taste, but the sourness is quite different from lemon juice or tamarind. This has got a subtle sourness, and it goes very well with the dates that we have added without overpowering the dates or vice versa. It's not sweet. Also, the matcha powder that I have included, in addition to giving some nice green color, it has got an earthy smell. This earthy smell gives the sweet a very unique feel. The coconuts give a chewy feel to it, so you'll have to chew for a while before you can swallow the entire thing. You would have noticed me. Almonds, of course, they are the king of the ingredients within this. They provide a hell lot of energy, and that's why I recommended this particular dish today. By the way, did you know that almonds actually improve memory power? Now, if you don't believe me, here is what I suggest. Pick up these sweets, 4 or 5 every day. Try for 3 months and tell me if your memory power has not improved. My channel focuses on making raw food dishes that are delicious, visually appealing, high energy, definitely healthy. You may want to include some of these or several of these in your daily diet. Watch my channel, subscribe, and follow the videos at your convenience. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also, click on the notification bell